Hello everyone, my name is Chad Samuel B. Mamak. Today we're gonna discuss about the song Volatile Times by Chris Corner. Volatility refers to the speed of change in an industry, market of the world. In general, it is a liability to change rapidly and unpredictably. Volatile Times by Chris Kerner is a poignant reflection on modern society, exploring themes of chaos, uncertainty, and disconnection. It is a thought-provoking song that explores themes of chaos, uncertainty, and disconnection in modern society. The lyrics paint a vivid picture of a world in turmoil, where individuals feel lost and estranged for their former selves. The song is a powerful commentary on the state of modern society, urging listeners to take action and find their place in this chaotic world. It's about seeking hope and authenticity in a world that seems to be falling apart. The song's message is both reflection on the current state of affairs and a call to action, encouraging listeners to rise above the noise and create change. Overall, Volatile Times is a powerful commentary on the state of modern society, encouraging listeners to take action and find their place in a chaotic world. Thank you very much, and that's all. Bye-bye.